in an isosceles triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC, bisectors of angle B and C intersect each other at O. Join A to O. So the diagram is not given. So we have to make the diagram first. So I am making an isosceles triangle. I am naming it as ABC, and it is being given that AB and AC are equal. Okay, bisectors of B and C. Bisectors of B and C are meeting at O. Join A to O, we have to join this A and O. So whatever is written, so see, bisector means these two angles are equal. So I am naming it 1 and 2, and I am naming it 3 and 4. So these bisectors are meeting at point O. Now you have to join A to O. Okay, now you have to show that OB is equal to OC. So have you understood the diagram? See, it is an isosceles triangle. So first we have drawn isosceles triangle. Then we have drawn bisectors of B, angle B and angle C. They are meeting each other at point O. Now I have joined A to O. So let's do the solution. So first we will be writing given things. So first thing which is given is AB is equal to AC. So that I am writing. Second thing which is given, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. What is the reason? As BO and CO are angle bisectors. So AB is equal to AC, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Reason, BO and CO are angle bisector. Okay, so I am now starting the proof. Okay, so I can write angle B is equal to angle C. Why? Anyone? Why angle B and C are equal? Yes, what is the reason?
मैम CPCT.
अरे CPCT यहाँ अभी हमने कहाँ कॉन्ग्रेंट प्रूव किया है? अभी तो हम थ्योरम पढ़ के आए. क्या थ्योरम है? इफ sides of a triangle are equal, then angles opposite to them are equal. तो अगर साइड्स आपके पास हमने लिखा हुआ है ए बी एंड ए सी इक्वल है, तो उनके अपोजिट जो एंगल्स हैं वो भी इक्वल होंगे. सो एंगल बी इज इक्वल टू एंगल सी. So angle B I can write as angle 1 plus 2 and I can write C as 3 plus 4. Do you understand why I have written this? See, angle B is made up of two angles. If you look at angle B, it is made up of angle 1 and angle 2. Similarly, angle C is made up of 3 and 4. Do you agree with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I can write, I know angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. It is written above. So I can write, in place of 1, I am writing 2. Similarly, in place of 4, I am writing 3.
So, ma'am, angle 2 is equal to angle 3.
Yes, Leona? What you are saying?
Ma'am, nothing, ma'am.
So if it is written and understood also, do tell me, then I can write the next step.
Yes, ma'am, understood.
What about others? Dhanvi, you are not saying anything. Leona, Ayan.
Understood.
Leona and Ayan.
Ma'am, understood.
Ma'am, understood.
अब हम इसके आगे और कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं करेंगे. अब एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 2 मीन्स आई एम राइटिंग इट हियर बिकॉज माई स्क्रीन इज नॉट अलाइंग मी. So please understood that is the next step. So angle 2 plus angle 2 is 2 angle 2 is equal to 2 angle 3. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So angle 2 and angle 3 are equal. So I can say अगर angles equal है OBC triangle में, दो एंगल्स इक्वल है तो उनके अपोजिट वाली जो साइड्स होंगी वो भी क्या होंगी? इक्वल. देन आई कैन राइट एज angles are equal in triangle OBC, then sides will also be equal. Therefore, OB is equal to OC. So the question seems difficult, but it is not difficult. But it requires practice. You cannot see it beforehand. You have to apply mind. So let's move to the second part. AO bisect angle A. So what does it mean? We need to prove these two angles are equal. So I have to take the triangle AOB and AOC. So what I will be doing in triangle AOB and triangle AOC. AB is equal to AC. This is given. Angle 1 is equal to angle 4. ये भी हमने प्रूव किया है. And OB is equal to OC. अभी आपने फर्स्ट पार्ट में प्रूव किया है. So you can see this is side, angle, side. So we can say by SAS congruency rule, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOC. And angle BAO is equal to angle CAO by CPCT. Or AO bisects angle A.
Ma'am, understood.
Okay. So please complete it up. Leona, this whole chapter is coming in your test, triangle. Then you have idea of syllabus of your school.
I think chapter triangles will come and maybe Heron's formula. I'm not sure about the Heron's formula, but I think triangles will come. So as our teacher hasn't told us right now.
Whole chapter?
Yes, I think except I think ASA.
Okay,
Except ASA, all everything will come.
okay. So if it is written, I can move to question number 2. What do you all say? Is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
done?
Written. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's move to question number 2. In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. You have to show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So it is very easy question. Okay, so what is our way of doing any question? We will write given first. So AD is perpendicular bisector. It is given. So what does it mean? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is equal to 90 degree. And bisector of BC means BD is equal to DC. As AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, so I have written whatever is given. So now we will be going to the proof. So the question is very easy. Can you see how to solve? So we will be writing in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. BD is equal to DC. This is given. AD is equal to AD. That is common. And angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is also given. So we can write by side, angle, side. By SAS criteria, these two triangles are congruent. Triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. Okay, so these two triangles are congruent by SAS criteria. Okay, now I can write AB is equal to AC by CPCT. So see, we have proved the triangle ADB and triangle ADC congruent with the help of the things which are given. Then by CPCT, we have wrote that AB is equal to AC. So please complete it up and do tell me if there is any doubt.
Ma'am, completed.
Okay, can I
Completed.
claim? Okay. Okay, so now we are on question number 3. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes meaning they are making 90 degree. You can see from the diagram itself that this is 90-degree angle and this is 90-degree angle are drawn to sides AC and AB. Show that this altitudes are equal. तो वो देखने में थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो जाता है, हम देख नहीं पाते हैं उस ट्राइंगल को. इसके लिए इजी वे आई एम शोइंग यू. So first we will be writing given. तो ये 90 है तो बचा हुआ भी 90 होगा. So I am writing angle 1 is equal to angle 2 as BE and CF are altitudes. Altitudes meaning they are making 90 degree. So now we will write the proof. And one more thing is given here, AC and AB are equal. This is isosceles triangle. Now we will be writing proof. In triangle ACF and triangle AEB, okay, so I can write angle 1 is equal to angle 2. It is given. Angle A is common in both. So I am writing that which is common. Angle A is equal to angle A. This is common. So you can see this is angle 1 and angle 2 and this is common angle. So if these two angles are equal, then third angle should also be equal. Isn't it? If two angles are equal, then third angle will also be equal. So I will write angle 3 is equal to angle 4 by angle sum property. So angle 3 and 4 are also equal. Okay, now I will be writing the third thing which is given. AB is equal to AC. So I can say the criteria दो angles equal हैं और बीच की side. So what I will write, by ASA triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. Okay, therefore BE is equal to CF by CPCT. So how we have done, angle A is common, angle 1 is 90 degree. So बचा हुआ जो angle है और ये वाला angle है, अगर दो angles equal हैं तो third angle will also be equal. So now we have angle A common और 3 और 4 equal और ये AB वाली जो side है वो AC वाले side के equal है. So criteria कौन सा हो गया, angle side angle. So angle side angle से these two triangles are congruent, and if these two triangles are congruent, then by CPCT length of altitudes comes out to be equal. Please write it down.
Ma'am, written.
Okay, so I'm completing, I'm ending today's class. Revise everything, and there are 6 questions. Please complete them up.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bachcho.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.